Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to take a screenshot on iPhone. Please watch this video until the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Like, and comment. Let's get started. To do this, we need to press the off button on the iPhone and the volume plus button at the same time. And then we're going to do this. And we're going to take a screenshot. We can also. Once we've taken a screenshot, we can go to the screenshot and we can, say, make it smaller and crop it. Maybe add some color, a marker, write something, add something, and we can highlight it, crop it, and so on. We can also take a screenshot. It's a double click. Look, I click twice and I take a screenshot. And then I click and I take a screenshot. I don't press any buttons. I just double click and I take a screenshot. That's how easy it is to do. Well, you have to go to Settings. You have to go to the Accessibility tab. Here, Open Touch. Scroll to the bottom. Back tap. The first setting you click on. And then you have to select Screenshot. Then you can click like this. If you liked this video and it helped you, subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you all. Goodbye.